Hi, I'm Leon Condon. I'm the CEO here at Engagis. Engagis is all about empowering leading organisations to better engage with their customers and staff to achieve more. It's a fun place to work. Often our customers ask me about what happens behind the scenes. What's it all about? And really, as a services business, it's all about our people. We've got great people. They surprise me, amaze me every day. Now, there's many examples I could give you, but one that just stands out is a few weeks back, I was flying to Melbourne for the opening of a leading retailer's store of the future. The red ribbon cutting was at 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. I flew in on Tuesday night to receive, on landing, a frantic call from the project manager of the client. The store was starting to look good, but one of the shop fitters had just spun around with a length of timber and smashed one of our very valuable video walls. So the project manager asked me what we could do, and I said, well, it is an 8-week lead time on that screen, but let's see what the team can do. I put in one call to our project manager internally, and she put in motion a great train of events. We fortunately had another project in motion in the factory being staged and tested for another store. Our technicians were dispatched, sent to the factory. They gathered the products and services. They then went to the Glen where the new shop was opening. I was just thrilled with their progress. I left the airport Tullamarine, and by the time I got to the Glen, by 9 o'clock, they had already installed and had the solution returned to service in an hour and a half. What thrilled me was the reaction the next morning. The staff and the executives that were celebrating the red ribbon opening were commenting so much on the incredible service that they'd achieved the night before. In fact, they went further to say that after the last decade that we've been providing services to this retailer on all the openings of nearly 400 stores, we'd never been late once. We'd gone above and beyond to overcome so many obstacles. No power for us to test our equipment. We would run an extension cord down the shopping centre from an adjacent store, or bring in services, temporary content if not available. So many different examples where the guys just never say die. The just do it attitude just reigns supreme with a huge customer centricity. It's the behaviour that I'm so proud of. And around here we have a saying that it may not be my fault, but it's definitely my problem. And our team, and having a quality team behind it that has a unique behaviour, is the world of difference. Having accountability, flexibility, responsiveness, delivering the actual outcome, not just delivering their element of the total solution. End-to-end ownership, excellence.